Hey guys, what's up? So I'm talking about all these cool YouTubers getting all their new vehicles. So I thought, hey, might as well get mine. So here, we got this. My new car! This ain't like nothing you've ever seen before. Has those hard wheels here. It's Korean. They're Korean. Got 4 of those. Check this out. See this right here? AM, FM, all the frequencies, all the hertz. I got them. This right here, twin turbo. Freshest thing. Pull this little thing down. Turbo, nitrous. Pretty sweet. Over here, I got this right here. See this pigment? It's right here. You know what happened there? I got hit by a Lamborghini. Came right there. Check this out. It's right here. It allows me to look back. Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah. Look at this, guys. Right here, see these two? These two right here? Yeah, these are my favorite right here. These give me the even better signal for the FM radio, not the AM, because I don't know. Check this out. We get down here.
Okay.
I got this right here. I decided to take them off so I can slowly leak air because they're super hard anyway, so they can go anywhere.
What about your suspension?
What, bro?
Your suspension.
Oh yeah, man, I got my suspension, dude. This part. Just go like this with these just. Check these right here. Look at that! Check it out. Suspension. Air suspension. Check this out here. You see this? Ain't like you never seen before. These right here. These go off when they see the Lamborghini. Got my racing stripes.
Show the inside. Show the inside.
This is my race steering wheel. Check this out over here. You gotta close that, bro. It's my glove department. That's my new car, guys. No. Stop the video. Stop it.